Find the following given that g of x equals 1 over x and h of x equals 2x plus 1. We need to find the domain of g plus h. Well, let's first of all see what g plus h of x looks like. That is g of x plus h of x, which is 1 over x, that's g of x, plus h of x would be 2x plus 1. Now let's find the domain of this function. The domain is the set of all real numbers that we can substitute in here and for which we can get an answer. In other words, for which this expression is defined. The only place this will not be defined is when we divide by 0. And we will be dividing by 0 when x is 0. So the only number that's not in the domain is 0. And we can write that as the domain is the set of all x such that x is a real number and x does not equal 0.